everyone, and once again welcome to another Techtorial video. Today's will be on another video on an educational software that makes learning enjoyable and just that more productive. Padlet allows classes to be very interactive between students, allowing opinions and ideas to be conveyed on a wide scale, making classes much more productive. Running Padlet is as simple as logging into the account you already have, or if not, signing up in the website as shown right here. You have the options to sign up with a Microsoft account, an Apple ID, any normal email, or as we will be doing for this video, a Google account by clicking this option here. After verifying your account, you have two options to start your Padlet account, a paid option called Pro or a free one called Basic. For this video, we will use Basic. After picking your plan, you should be redirected to a home page just like this one with the options to make a Padlet, join a Padlet, gallery, and upgrade on the top row. Below that, we have a column of other buttons from recents to new folder. When we click recents, we can see the Padlets that you recently played or used, meaning Padlets not created by you, but ones that you have viewed before. The made option right under that, as the name suggests, contains Padlets that have been made by you, shown here in order from most recent to least recent. The shared option shows Padlets that have been shared to you as a collaborator, Padlets not yours, but have the permission to edit. Liked is simply an album of Padlets that you have viewed before that you have clicked the like button on, just like the like playlist on YouTube. Archive shows Padlets that you are not actively using and therefore in the archive section. A free Padlet plan only allows a maximum of 3 Padlets, including those in the archive section. Therefore, as a tip, it may be best just to delete the Padlets not in use anymore. Interacting with Padlets is quite simple. Just click Made as shown here, click the 3 buttons on the top right of the Padlet, in this case called Bookmarks, which is the default Padlet made for you when you open the account. Then, you click on what you want to do with it, archive, delete, or copy the link so other people can view and edit the Padlet. Back to the home page. Make a Padlet is simply what the name suggests. Joining a Padlet allows you to join someone else's Padlet by placing the shared link discussed before. The gallery button is simply a browsing tool to see other Padlets. When clicking it, you are redirected to a page just like this one where public Padlets can be seen. You can like one and add it to your liked album by clicking this button here. You can even make a copy of their Padlet by clicking this button here. When doing so, you can give your own name and the description of the Padlet. After that, you can even share it using the various methods available here shown on the right. Next up is making a Padlet itself. Go back to the home page and click the Make a Padlet option right here. After that, you are given a variety of different Padlets to choose from. However, in this video, we will only discuss the Wall Padlet option. After clicking Wall Padlet, you can pick a title, a description for the Padlet, and an icon image which is similar to the thumbnail. You can either pick an emoji, upload an image online, upload an image from your local files, draw the icon, or even search it in the Padlet database. Next is making a custom address to make the URL of the Padlet stand out. However, if this is only a temporary Padlet, it might be best not to. After that is customizing the body of the Padlet itself by picking the wallpaper. It can either be a solid color using this option here, a gradient wallpaper here, a variety of textures and patterns you can choose from, or upload your own custom background in a similar fashion to the icon before. You can pick whether the background you upload is tile, which repeats in a consecutive pattern, or a fit single image that will occupy the whole background. Your custom background can be drawn, an uploaded image from your computer, search from the Padlet database, or a link from an image online or taking the photo immediately from your device. Other ways you can customize the Padlet include picking the color scheme, which is basically the theme of the Padlet, followed by your preferred font. Turning on the attribution option allows other people to see the names of people who have added responses to the Padlet. However, if they are not logged into a Padlet account, it will say anonymous either way. In here, you have the option to pick whether the newer responses appear from the top or they appear from the bottom. Here you can pick whether or not people or students can give comments on the post, as well as being able to give reactions and opinions on the posts down here. They have the option to like the post, vote up or down on the post, star the responses out of 5, and grade responses as well, which is basically a numeric scoring of the post. The content approval option here makes it so that the posts and responses from students have the option to be approved by you before it becomes visible to other students, usually for the purpose of ensuring appropriateness. An automatic alternative would be in the form of filter profanity down here, which immediately takes down posts containing profane words. Once customization is complete, click Next right here. Now you can share the Padlet with people, usually a class of students, for them to do it. When people want to contribute posts to the Padlet, they can click the plus button on the bottom right. This post can be in the form of a text, simply by typing here for the title and here for the content. Or alternatively, you can add an image. Note that people not signed into a Padlet account will be viewed as anonymous, and the teacher might turn off attribution, so you might want to write your name as part of the post. To add an image as part of the post, you can click either of these 5 icons. From left to right, the first one is uploading an image from your computer. The second one is to take a photograph using your device. The third is pasting the link for an online image. The fourth is to search for an image online, while the 3 dots on the rightmost icon gives you more options shown here. Rating posts can be done right under the post as shown here. If it is a star-based system, then everyone will see the average star rating that the post has received. Next, you can add members to the Padlet through their username or email. You can also change the privacy settings based on your needs to private, password, members only, secret, and public, explained on screen here. To share, you can copy the link to the clipboard from this button here and share it to anyone. Or you can get a QR code which people can scan and be able to use this Padlet from. You can even embed the links to the Padlet in a website in the form of a WordPress or an HTML website. Simply copy the links to the WordPress coding or HTML editor. Full embed means you can access the Padlet directly from the website, while the preview card embed only shows a preview, while clicking on it leads to a new tab. Sharing on Facebook and Twitter is simple enough. Sharing on Google Classroom allows you to post the Padlet link in a Google Classroom, although you would have to sign in first. Once again, thank you for watching, and we hope that you find another educational website that makes learning just a bit more fun. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on our channel, and see you next time.